It's time for a new feature on Dukascopy TV. Technical analysis is of huge importance to many traders, and on a regular basis we'll be getting an expert view from fxKnight, founder of fxKnight.com. He's got more than 15 years experience working in the financial markets, and he joins me now via webcam. Andre, how do you strike the balance between technical and fundamental analysis?
To be successful, I think you really need a bit of both. You see, the fundamentals tell you which direction the markets are likely to move, and the technicals help you figure out how far.
So what do you have today for us then?
Well, Peter, with all the turmoil going on in Europe over the sovereign debt, and meanwhile in the US the big question continues to be, are we in a recovery? Are we not in a recovery? I thought we'd start out by looking at the Euro USD today.
Now what I've done on this daily chart is use the Fibonacci tool to measure the first leg of the move down. I've got the top at 1.4281 and I've got the bottom at 1.2968. You'll notice we've already broken this support level, and not only that, but we're coming back up from underneath now to test it as resistance. Over the next day or two, I'm going to be watching very, very closely to see if this 1.2968 level can continue to hold as resistance. If it does, based on a retracement to 38.2%, I would expect an extension down to 138.2%. Or in other words, a price level of 1.2466. That would give us a total trade of around 487 pips. Not at all bad. If this 1.2466 level breaks as support and also tests from underneath as resistance, there might be another bonus round, good for another 293 pips, almost 300 pips, that'll take us down to 1.2156. Okay? But we'll deal with that when it comes. We'll take it one step at a time. If, on the other hand, we break back up above 1.2968 and find some support there, I'll be looking for a short move back up. We'll probably overshoot that 1.30 round number by a little bit and come up to land right on our 200 moving average. I also happen to know there's a weekly pivot point right around the same level, putting us at about 1.3081.
The sound was obviously not that great at the end, but we'll fix that for next time. Andre Knight will be appearing on a regular basis on Dukascopy TV to help you become a more complete trader. Goodbye for now.